कैसे हो के किसान यूट्यूब चैनल के नाजरीन और मेरा सब्सक्राइबर, आज का बहुत अहम प्रोग्राम बनने जा रहा है। ये प्रोग्राम में इंशाल्लाह जो माजूर बच्चे हैं उनके पैर ख़राब होते हैं, चलने फिरने के काबिल नहीं होते, उनके लिए प्रोग्राम मैं बना रहा हूँ। ये प्रोग्राम डाकट्रेट कोئटہ सोशल वेलफेयर में और इसके ताउन करता है बलूचिस्तान गवर्नमेंट।
Since 1989. So we are giving rehabilitation services for persons with disabilities. So as physiotherapy is not just a medication, it's rehabilitation. We are partner for life of person with disabilities, because why? Like this flat-foot child came to us, expertise, human rights, plus many budgets. So, as we are giving since 32 years prosthetic, above knee prosthetic, the armed forces in the field.
Making such kind of these models, that's in all Pakistan, that's only one is shoes. That's making such kind of shoes. You cannot find another Pakistan in another place. I again strongly request. We have a facing severe problem to running this section continuously. We need in training programs for our technical. We make teams and send to them and inform them and train them. Okay. If they have such kind of a disease, how to they reach, how to they cure their themselves. Okay. Thank you. Mr. Abdul Hamid, that is a special phone. It's given by 2015 by UNHCR. Yeah, it is the most sophisticated. It is, I can claim there's only one in all Pakistan. Thank you so much. That's provided, and we are using it is a mother of all technology. Okay. We are using it for molding of cost. Our 70% work is related from these things. Yes. We mold this kind of plastic sheets. We cut this plastic sheets just like in this piece. Particularly more components, advanced components. Just like European standard, American standards, just like this such kind of components. That will be provided to depressed and deprived people of Balochistan. Okay. I think it is a very precious gift.
Young people as poor people not afford this.
Yes, this technology, it's a very expensive technology. Okay. We are providing, we have a very less amount. Very 10 I can
which amount less?
Is a government is a providing funds are running for all year. It's only 2 million rupees.
2 million rupees.
If you are cut our other taxes, I think it's 1.5 million rupees.
Okay.
It's not enough for a small house.